It's a beautiful planet of the universe, as the common habitat have more than 7 billion humans. A team of international businessmen has started an ambitious project, being inspired by their concern to support the sustainability of our planet, to fulfill the responsibilities toward Mother Nature as global citizens, and to protect our living planet from deterioration and to hand over a clean and green planet to our future generations. Disposing of waste has huge environmental impacts and can cause serious problems in Australia. Much is buried in landfill sites and holes in the ground. Sometimes old quarries especially dug some waste rot, but not all, and in the process it may smell, which generates methane gas, which is explosive and contributes to the greenhouse effect, which waste may cause pollution. Being managed, landfill sites may attract vermin or cause litter. Landfill Crisis Australia. In the past 12 months, since China stopped taking Australia's recycling, truckloads of plastic, glass and paper have been pouring into sorting centres and then fill sites across the country. Waste reduction is often associated with recycling, but it's more complex than that. Avoiding the generation of waste in the first place and minimizing waste are also crucial measures in any waste reduction strategy. There is limited land resource in especially the city areas landfills, which is an essential element of any sustainable waste management chain. Needs notable land resource. On the other hand, landfill space must be regarded as one of the city's most precious assets, and therefore be more prudently used as a last resort. Landfill space should also be conserved by state-of-the-art technologies and the system that be reduced the bulk volume of waste required disposal. Since the beginning of the development of the management system, a tested prototype has been developed and a competent team for the further development of the technology has been set up. For the future, the roadmap foresees an integration of the first machine in Australia. Our team has in-depth know-how in the field of recycling waste management development, and we combine our pioneering spirit and entrepreneur professionalism to integrate our new machine with all of its new innovations, ready to get them across into our customer business processes. Waste reduction is often associated with recycling that is more complex than that. Avoiding the generation of waste in the first place and minimizing waste are also crucial measures in any waste reduction strategy. There is limited land resource, especially the city area landfills, which is an essential element of any sustainable waste management chain. Need notable land. And on the other hand, landfill space must be regarded as one of the city's most precious assets, and therefore be more gently used as a last resort. Landfill space should also be served by state-of-the-art technologies. The recycling system reduced the volume of waste required disposal. Since the beginning of the development of the energy management system, a tested prototype has been developed and a competent team for the further development of the technology has been set up. The future roadmap foresees the integration of the first machine in Australia. Our team has in-depth know-how in the field of recycling waste management development, and we combine our pioneering spirit and entrepreneur professionalism and to integrate our new machine with all of its new innovations, ready to get them across into our customers' business processes. We have succeeded in the development of a system which, even with all the features turned on, The designed machine makes best use of power consumption and water usage, and we guarantee that the recycling process provides a low-cost alternative by generating steam from the existing moisture content in the waste. The landfill serves a vital purpose. Space for them is not an infinitive resource. Most items are able to be reused or recycled in some fashion and are usually alternative disposal methods available for those that are not. By choosing our recycling system, you can reduce the amount of landfill by 85%. The recycling system recovers clean steriles, metals, plastics and glass, which can be easily sorted and resold. The 60% fiber recovered is saturated with fats, oils from the waste food labels, cardboards and other things. This fiber can then be used to heat the thermal oil, so making good the small loss in temperature, or gasify to generate energy for other purposes. To drive the system with the excess used as heat or converted to electricity means a recovery rate of approximately 85% or even greater of fiber and recyclables, with the remaining 50% going to landfill. Low pressure steam, the most cost-effective way. The recycling system capitalizes on circulating standard thermal oil or an electric element to heat the waste to 200 degrees. This temperature is held for approximately 1 hour and keeping the pressure about 2 bar, which then converts the existing moisture content in the MSW. Normally about 50% if lower than ordinary water can be added into steam within the mass. The result is a much lower operating cost as opposed to conventional high pressure steam autoclaving. The Envirogenic recycling system pressure vessel can be easily scaled to its waste stream from 10 tons a day up to 300 tons per day. The smaller version could be mounted on the truck chassis to create a mobile system, and as it's self-energizing, can be used in areas where there is no available power supply. Made out of stainless steel, we foresee a potential life of 25 years plus. Cheap to run and maintain with few moving parts. All output is sterile and no smell. The past year has been one of our most inspiring years, getting our mission into a reality. And we are grateful attracting quite a lot of serious interest from various businesses joining us in the implementation of our unique low-cost energy waste management system and wishing to make their living place much more environmentally friendly. Feel more than free to share our global concern for the environment, empowering a positive action for the conservation of our natural resources, working to reduce waste and move the earth towards a more circular economy. Our system, recycling management team and ambassadors are looking forward to join you.